Hey, welcome to the first beater box since ComplexCon, but that's not a milestone, so I don't know why I just told you that. I mean, may as well just go with what works. Hey look, it's Pancake. Hi, Pancake. What's going on? Nothing? What's that? Good girl. Now that you're roped in, let's open this beater box. Some of you may think that I'm using the dog for views, and guess what? You're absolutely right. Hi, I'm SB Mitch. First of all, here's Pancake's information. You can follow her on Instagram. It's a real fun time. But here's my information too. You can follow me on Instagram and Twitter if you feel like it, but I'm not nearly as cute as Pancake. But underneath that handle is my website. It's called Ransom Note Sneakers. The website address is ransomnotesneakers.com. Shoes from other boxes and possibly, probably this box. Shoes from this box will be up there today at 6 o'clock p.m. if you're interested in buying any of them. Box. When I say box, I'm talking about a beater box. You already know that though. Ramble City. Comes to us from Sole Supremacy, which is a shop in the Bay Area of California that has a closed membership-only beater box program, but they do eBay, and it's a really good shop, so check them out, solesupremacy.com. This box, next to me on Beater Box Friday, cost $725, plus $40 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois. Shout out Grande Bald in Avanti Cup! For a grand total of $765. Look, it's clearance. Follow along as we pull out shoes. Clarence will be letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market. Also, keep a tally of the entire box, and then we'll break it down at the end to show you how much I paid versus the actual market value of the entire box. But we gotta find out what's in there first. The whole purpose of these videos is I order these boxes to sell things anyway, and I just kind of do the videos because I think it's fun. It's a fun time filming them and sharing them, and it's hard to think of new things to say sometimes. All right. Quite a few loose shoes though, that's a little bit of a bummer. This looks like a quantity over quality box right away. So we'll grab, it's a size 10. Somebody already got rid of their Bred 4s. This is a size 10 Bred 4. It's in good shape. I mean, it looks like it was worn a handful of times. No, it was worn pretty fairly well. I'm kidding. Good amount of star loss, a little bit of heel drag. Yeah, it's in okay shape, probably like 7-ish out of 10 condition. Just needs a good cleanup, so size 10 is kind of a goofy size for me. Again, this is the 2019 release, just came out a couple months ago. No box either. I don't know, whatever. Yeah, these will go for pretty cheap, definitely under market. So there's your first shoe. Size 10, Air Jordan 4 Bred from 2019 with the Nike Air on the heel tab. Very cool. Another loose shoe, looks like a foam posit. I think this is the Royal something or other colorway. This looks old. It's got dust on it. It's like looks like a 2011, 2010 release, some kind of Game Royal or Royal Blue foam posit. No box. What size is it? That would help if I checked first. This is an 11.5. I don't wear foam posits. In my experiences, you're supposed to go a half size up, so this might fit like an 11. But there is some outsole discoloration because of how old the shoe is. It's almost 10 years old, so it's gonna happen. But overall, pretty decent shape. I don't see any major flaws on the uppers, which is, pretty good. Size 11.5, some kind of blue foam posit is the next shoe out. And I think there's one more loose shoe, it looks like. This is a 6.5. It's a 6.5. I just sold a pair of 6.5 of these. But it's the 2011 release of the Cool Gray 11. This is a grade school size, 6.5. A little bit of outsole discoloration, a little bit of wear. Nice thing about getting kids' shoes is they don't wear them that long because kids constantly growing. There's never really any beat up grade school shoes, but at the same time, it's a grade school shoe. Hard to move, so. No box, size 6.5, youth, Cool Gray 11. And that's the loose shoes. There's still a lot of shoes in here. It looks like there's a total of 9 shoes in here. So let's grab this first shoe with the box out. This is an Air Max 270 in a size 9. This is a worn pair of the triple black Air Max 270. Haven't seen this model in hand. It looks like it's something you'd wear when you're fighting dragons in the future. I'm not gonna lie. The upper is this like crazy, like curvatured looking thing. I don't know. This looks like where the Demogorgon comes from. I don't really know what's going on here, but it's got this massive air outsole, which is kind of cool. It's a little bit, like I can see through the light, it's a little bit translucent, but it's a size 9 and it's a triple black colorway. That's 2 things that it has going for them, but other than that, I can't really think of much. I don't know the market on these, probably not much money, but size 9, triple black, Air Max 270. Let's do this. This looks like an old Jordan box or a retro of an old Jordan. I think it's a retro of an old Jordan. It's an Air Jordan 12 retro. Ah, okay, cool. So this is a size 10 pair of the 2016 release of the Flu Game 12s. You can see it doesn't have the unhappy face on the tongue. This came out 3-ish years ago. These are in okay shape. They just need a good cleanup. A little bit of wear on the outsole, some stones and stuff. Jumpman's still fully intact, which is good. They just need to be cleaned up a little bit. There's not much toe box creasing, which is good, but it comes with the original box, and it came with 10 cents. So that's pretty good. That'll help me with my return. Very good pair. Size 10 is a goofy size for me to sell, but I don't know how, that's just my experiences. I don't know how other people have with it, but there you go. Classic Jordan silhouette, classic Jordan colorway. Shouldn't be too hard to move. Size 10, Flu Game 12s from 2016. Very cool. Hi, Pancake. Sorry, I don't want to hit you with the box. We've got a countdown pack box. I don't know what size it is because it doesn't have the actual thing on it. It is a size 6 youth. As I said, it is from the countdown pack, so it's from 2008, so it does have some years on it, but this is the Carmen 6s.
Carmen.
Very, very lightly worn, a little bit of toe box creasing, some outsole discoloration, which is gonna happen for a shoe that's been out 11 years. But this was part of the countdown pack, which celebrated the release of the Air Jordan 23. So they released packs of 2 shoes each where the numbers matched up to make 23. So the other shoe that came with this, because this is a 6, would be the Air Jordan 17. Math! But it's a 6 youth, pretty decent shape, old shoe. Probably not much of a market on these, but this is one of the best Jordan colorways of all time. It's an Air Jordan 6 Retro BG or GS, I don't really know. In the Carmen colorway.
Carmen.
Boop. I got 3 more in here. They look like big shoes too. I got a size 9.5 Yeezy Boost 700. Okay, this is actually a really good shoe. It's very lightly worn. People are dumping these because there is a restock coming up, but it is the OG colorway of the Wave Runner. This was one of the most sought after shoes last year. Rekindled the whole dad shoe craze. These are in pretty decent shape too. You can see the Adidas logo is still on the insole there. Not much discoloration on the boosts. I mean, these just need a solid cleanup and they'll be good to go. And it's got the original box too, I think, right? As far as I know. But it is a size 9.5, which is a really good size to get on these. So cannot complain. This might actually be decent money for the size. Probably like $350 to $400 still. So there you go. Size 9.5 Yeezy Boost 700 in the OG Wave Runner colorway. Cool. So we got 2 more Jordan boxes in here. Air Jordan 1 TD Mid. That means a cleat. At least it's dead stock. I know a lot of high schoolers are going back to school to play some football, but this is probably one of the better colorways you can get. This is the black with a white swoosh. Air Jordan 1 cleat. Interesting. I've never really gotten cleats in beater boxes before. A couple people I know have gotten them, and they say they do okay, but this is a good time to get them because kids are gonna be buying these for football, so. Nice, simple colorway. It'll match your jersey for most part. I mean, unless your school colors are like white and burnt sienna or something like that, but there you go. Size 12 is a good size too. You big footers, someone that's a lineman, hit me up. We've got 1 more in here. Is it a cleat as well? That would be terrible. It is. This is another cleat too. Pretty decent colorway to get, and it's dead stock in a size 12. So here's a red one. It's an Air Jordan 4 red cleat. So if your school colors are red and white or red and black or something like that, pretty good for your team, I guess. Wow, that's 2 disappointing shoes to get at the end. I should have had the Wave Runner still the end, but hey, whatever. It's dead stock, it's size 12. Can't really complain. There's a market for these right now. So there you go, size 12, Jordan 4. No, this is a gym red colorway. Cleat. Neat. All right, well, that's good. At least they're dead stock. That is a $725 box. Interesting. Usually these boxes are the sweet spot, but let's give it a grade. We'll give this box a grade through 3 categories: condition, sizes, value. And keep in mind, I guess on all this, so I don't really know if I'm right until after the video. Let's do condition first. There are
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
I said 9 earlier in the video. What am I doing? 9 shoes in this $725 Sole Supremacy beater box, and it looks like 2 of them are dead stock. 3 of them don't have boxes. Condition is not great on this box, so I'm gonna give it a D+. Sizes, we have 10, 11.5, 6.5 youth, 9, 10, 6 youth, 9.5, 12, and another 12. Sizes are kind of all over the place. It's a good range of sizes, but that doesn't mean they'll be quick moves. So sizes on this box will say about a C. Value. I have no idea how much cleats go for. I mean, I don't even know what the retail is on them. I think the value is decent, but the ease of movability is pretty low, so I gotta take that into account. Value on this box, not great. C-. So with the grade of D+ for condition, the grade of C for sizes and the grade of C-. For value, this $725 Sole Supremacy beater box gets a grade of C-. So I took a wild guess and gave this box a grade of C- because I'm not really feeling it, but I've been wrong before in the past. So let's take a look at the numbers right now. Breakdown! Yeah, it's definitely a quantity over quality box, which is okay. I mean, if I were to sell each shoe for about $100 each, I'd make money. That's just how these boxes go. You just never know what's gonna be in here. So I'll clean them up and put them on the website today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And that website is ransomnotesneakers.com, unless they sell on GOAT before that, but probably not. I have another box from this week I gotta open, so we'll probably do that Sunday, and then other fun stuff. Maybe, I don't really know. Appreciate your time. Have a great rest of your weekend. Till next time, take care of each other and remember to treat people the way that you want to be treated. And I'll see you soon.